Hi, it's Danny, Karon, your lovable lawyer here with your quick shot of legal wellness. Today I want to talk about advocating for yourself. What do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is that when you get screwed over, like we all do, by your credit card company or your cell phone company or your cable company, you don't have to just take it. There's some things you can do to protect yourself. Now, often people don't even realize it, or if they do, they don't even do anything about it because they figure, what can I do? Well, if people do anything, the first thing they tend to do is to go to the web portal and send something online to customer service. Well, if I've learned anything in 30 years of law practice, it's this. Online inquiries don't really get you anywhere. If you send a physical letter, an old school letter, letter, piece of paper, that tends to get results. Why? Because letters get stamped received, they get moved through the chain, they get acted upon, and they get filed. They tend to get results. So that's how I do it. Now, second question is, who do you send it to? Well, customer service for sure, but I also send my letter to the chief legal officer of the company and the CEO. Yeah, the CEO of the whole place. Third question is, how do I send it? Well, I send mine certified mail, return receipt requested. And that's good for a couple of reasons. One, I know they got it. And second, I know they got it. So that's how I do it. What's in the letter? Well, you describe the problem and you make an ask. You make a reasonable, sensible ask for what you had to go through, your money back or some accommodation or whatever. So, quick example of how this worked for me. A couple years ago, my wife and mother-in-law took a trip. They flew somewhere and the connection was botched and they landed at one gate and the connection was somewhere else. They couldn't make it. They were stuck in Chicago at O'Hare for a day and a half. When they got to their destination, their luggage never made it. It was just a whole mess. So I wrote a letter, as I just described to you, to the airline. But by the time it was over, I'd gotten them each a travel voucher for $1,000. Kid you not, took me 10 minutes. That's something you can do too. So it's important to advocate for yourself, stand up for your rights when you need to. And that's, for me, at least an effective way to do it. I hope it works for you too. So we'll see you soon and go get them.